Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video I am going to show you how to log on to your Raspberry Pi from anywhere using Raspberry Pi Connect. To start off, you will need to connect your Raspberry Pi to a physical monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc., as you will need to install some software on it. Open a terminal and type sudo apt install rpi-connect. When the software is installed, simply type rpi-connect on. An icon will appear in the system tray. Click on the icon and choose sign in. If you haven't already got an account, you will be asked to create one and you will need to give your device a name. That is all the setup you need to do on the Raspberry Pi. You can now plug the Raspberry Pi in anywhere as long as it can connect to the network. Using any other computer or indeed your phone, you can now go to connect.raspberrypi.com. Log in using your credentials and you will see a list of all the Raspberry Pis you have added. You can connect via Secure Shell if you just want to use the terminal, or you can choose screen sharing to get full access to your Raspberry Pi desktop. You can copy and paste from the host clipboard to the Raspberry Pi and vice versa. And if you want to use full screen, you can simply click the full screen button, and when you have finished, simply press the escape button. There are limitations. You have to be running Wayland on your Raspberry Pi. X11 won't work. And drag and drop doesn't work, so you can't simply copy files from the host to the Pi or back again. You can, however, set up shared folders on the Pi if you want to access them remotely. This tool is still in the beta stage, but is a great way to manage your Raspberry Pi estate. For now though, that is the end of the video. You know what to do next. Thank you for watching.